So now we are so now we are going to see how we can determine the non-repeated character in a particular string. Okay, so using Java 8 approach. Let me take one string. Okay, is equals to, let me take this one. So in this particular string, I'm going to use the chars, and I'm going to map to object. Okay, so this chars is going to return us the particular int string. Okay, so first it will come, j will come, and it is going to convert as int value, and this particular, and it is going to generate us some int stream. Okay, and we are mapping that particular object. Okay, let me take character. So that I'm going to convert this into the particular character. Okay, and I'm going to collect it into the characters dot to list, characters dot grouping by. Okay, so that I'm going to collect all the things that we will be getting. Okay, so we do have this character dot grouping by, but we just wanted the first non-repeated character, so the order should be maintained. So that's the reason I'm going to use the, okay, I'm going to use the, so this is the one, so this is a key, and so we just wanted the value, so which is going to be in the insertion order. Okay, so that's the reason I'm taking the linked hash map. So this is a flavor. So in the grouping by function, we are going to give the key value along with the collection that needs to be stored, along with that the value. Okay, so characters start counting. See, this is going to return us some map. Okay, this is going to return us some map. Let me write it like this. Okay, so we are going to get the character, we are going to get the long value. Okay, character count map. So the very next thing what I can do is, so we are going to, let me, okay, character count map. Okay, map to object. Yeah, this is a character anyway, so we can give directly the character. I'm not sure what is the reason, like it is not going to take. Okay, yeah, so we have given the character as well. Okay, so maybe there is some spelling mistake. Yeah, okay, we are going to get some character count map, but it will be maintained in the insertion order only. The only thing is we need to iterate this map, and we are going to collect this particular non-repeated character. Okay, so this is a map. We can use the entry set in the Java. So, and we are going to stream it. Okay, we are going to stream it, and we are going to filter. So what we need to filter? So this is a condition where we can get, I mean, so in a map, right? So we will be having the key value page. Okay, so just like a normal map, like we are doing the entry set on top of it. So on the top of the map, right? So we are going to apply the stream function, and we are going to collect only those which is not repeated. Okay, that's the reason I'm using e tends to. So I'm not going to, I mean, I can give something k. Okay, so key dot k dot get value. Okay, so my value should be 1L. Okay, my value should be 1L. Okay, so that it is going to give us only that certain values which is not repeated. Okay, so this filter is going to give us non-repeated characters in this particular map. Okay, and we are going to take what we are going to take right now. So we are going to map. Okay, we are going to map. There is a map function, so we can make use, and we can take only that value. Okay, we can take only that value. Map dot entry. So we need only the key value. Okay, we need only the key value. So that is the reason. Like, so if I take some e, so e dot get the key. So I just wanted only the key, not the values, how much value it is. So I just wanted to have only the first element. Okay, the first non-repeated character. That is the reason I'm using the find first. Okay, find first is going to return as the optional of character. Okay, so that's the reason I'm going to use the optional of character, or else directly. Oh yeah, okay. Let me use it. Optional class of character. Okay, CHAR character non-repeated. Okay, character non-repeated. Let me format it. Okay, I'll repeat it once more. Okay, this is an optional class, and I'm going to import that particular optional class. So this is an optional class. Okay, so how we can get the particular thing from the optional class? So we are going to use the is present. Okay, if this is present, okay, if this is present, so then we are going to get the particular value. Okay, using if this is present, so we are going to get the particular value using dot get, or else nothing is available. Okay, system dot, okay, sys out. Let me print it. Okay, let me print it. So this is the way like we are going to write this particular program. Okay, see, m is non-repeated, first non-repeated character. Okay, correct, right? And same way I can use hello. Okay, h is the non-repeated character. Let me rerun it. Okay, yeah, h is non-repeated character. So you guys understood, right? So even we can combine these two things as well. Okay, even we can combine these two things as well. Let me first explain what I'm going to do in my step one. Okay, in my step one. So what I have done? So collect the character count. Okay, collect the character count which is stored in map. Okay, linked hash map, especially linked hash map. Linked hash map. What we have done? So we are splitting that into cats, and we are mapping to character. And then what we are doing, we are grouping by this particular string characters. Okay, so that we will be able to fetch that particular character and the character count. Let me print it. Okay, let me print this as well. Okay, what it contains. Then I'll be able to show you. Yeah, let me rerun it. Okay, see, I'm going to get the character along with the count. Okay, count of that particular character occurrence. Okay, so this is the one. So which we have done in the step one. In the step two, so what we have done? So we already have some math, and we just wanted to filter out only those non-repeated characters. Non-repeated. Filter the non-repeated character. Get the key value. Okay, I mean get only the character value. Okay, nothing but a key value. Get only the character value. We are not we are not interested in getting the value. Okay, so that's the reason like I'm using this map which is being stored, and so how we will iterate the map? Okay, we are going to iterate by using the entry set. Okay, and entry set, and we are going to stream it. Okay, so we are going to stream it, and so what we want to filter only those values which is having the count as 1. Okay, which is having the count as 1. As we are having long value, right? So I'm taking the condition as 1L. Okay. So later, so we are concentrated, only to get the key value. So that is the reason like we are using the map function. So which is going to convert one form of the stream to another form. Okay. So map is going to convert, okay, one form of stream to another form. So I just wanted, only the key. So that is the reason. So whatever that I am getting, I'm going to get the key value for that particular thing. And I'm going to get the first value, first element. So this is how this logic works. And so we are printing that particular, okay, character. We are going to print that particular character using. So as this is an optional class, so we are going to, what we are going to do, we are checking whether this optional class is having any value. So if it is having, then we are going to get that particular value. So this is a ternary operation. So if this is successful, if it is present, then we are going to get it. Otherwise, it is null. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you.